Oh my gosh, Rowan, except that one. He always falls off by himself, that white one. They don't even battle on there, what the heck? See? They just purposely try to fall off. They don't even battle at all on there. See, they all tipped each other over. That's stupid. And the worst part is they'll never get back up there or over there once they fall. Unless I had that slide one. We have to make it so that some of these can escape. But which one? Maybe it should be this one, because they'll never enter that one. If it's not, then they can escape. See, those escape, but that's how they enter back in if one other tries to get out.